you bringing to me? Good. We'll let Tony in. Hi, Tony. Do you know who I am? I don't think you do. Otherwise, you would be bowing down to me right now. I said bow down. Are you deaf, boy? When I tell you to bow, you bow. Oh, goodness. Never thought in my days I'd have to force a grown man to bow at my feet. Better. Now that you know your rightful place, I just can't seem to fathom. You are a dirty little peasant boy, Tony, and I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. You got that? I ask so little of your measly little life. I just want you to keep my garden alive, free of weeds and beautiful. But no. I think you need to get a little bit closer so you can see the hatred in my eyes, Tony. Get over here now. Much better. Now, I hate how you sweet talk me. You're not going to charm your way into my life. No. I'm not going to take pity on your soul while you should be pleasing me and making me happy. No. Your measly little, oh, but I love you, Queen. Oh, how I worship the ground you walk on isn't going to do squat. Okay? So, how about you shut the fuck up, Tony? Otherwise, it's going to be the last thing you say. Now, let's see. How can you please me? Maybe, scrub those floors. Scrub the floor right in front of you. Now, Tony, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, Tony. You give me the biggest migraine. What are you doing? Do you not know what elbow grease is, peasant boy? You work into it. Oh, how stupid am I? You have no muscles. You're weak and pathetic. Heck, I could use my pinky finger to beat you up. You disgust me. Are you seriously going to leave these streaks on the ground? That's right, Tony. If you don't behave, not only will I beat you up, but I'm going to have my beautiful beast eat you. You got that? She doesn't like when peasants displease me. Yeah, that's what I thought. Now get out of my sight and come back with the most beautiful flowers to fulfill My crown. Do you think he'll do it? Probably not. What are those? You think I'd put those flowers on my beautiful crown? Are you blind as well as deaf? Because that is not what I wanted. Those are ugly. Who would put baby breath on their crown? Not me. I want the rarest flower that you can find. You disgust me, Tony. You know what? I'm gonna give you one more shot, Tony, before I beat the shit out of you. Okay? I want you to go out there and come back. With what? How about you just come back with something that you think would please a queen like me? Okay? And if you come back and I find it pleasing, then I'll let you live your life. But if you come back and I find it unsatisfactory, I am going to beat you down. You got that? Good. Now run along. I have no time to waste. Is that you, peasant boy? I hope you found something good enough to disturb my slumber. Because if you haven't, it is your life on the line. Is it this? Really? You took a couple of hours to find the most amazing thing that you could find. And you find me a shirt that says "too hot to handle." With gingerbread men, no less. Gingerbread men are weak. They can be eaten so easily. Broken, caught, and made into whatever you want. You can conform them. I'm not conformable. The only part that is correct is the too hot to handle. This is trash, Tony. I gave you 3 chances, and you disobeyed my every wish. And you have failed. You have disgusted me. You are a pathetic loser. And now, Tony, I am going to kill you. I warned him. Now all of you have seen what happens when you disobey the queen. Keep me happy, and you will continue to live. Leave me unsatisfied, and you shall die like Tony. Understood? Wonderful. Now get out of my sight.